It's a couple of ways you can do it. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. You can simmer your meat in sauce if you like. Now, I like to put a little bit of sauce on the chips first. What's up guys, Stephanie here from Southern Girl Cooks, and I'm back with another recipe. Guys, this is a quick and simple recipe. Today we're going to be making barbecue nachos. Now many of you may know I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, home of wonderful barbecue. So without further ado, let's start cooking. So I'm not back home right now, and so the next best thing is to just buy some pulled pork or some chicken, whatever meat that you want to use in your nachos. Just have some fun with it. I think I either got this from Costco or Sam's. I think I may have gotten it from Sam's, but this is their pulled pork. So it is Pitmaster seasoned pulled pork, and they slow roast it for a really long time. It's got a nice smoky flavor. So that's what I'm going to be using in my nachos. So I've just sort of readjusted the camera a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing. So I've already preheated some pulled pork. I also have some nacho cheese sauce, but I've got some smaller containers and I went ahead and heated one of those up as well. This is Rico's nacho cheese sauce. It's really good. So what I'm gonna do is I've got just some chips that I picked up at Sam's. I have the restaurant style, but you can pick up what you like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these open. I hate ripping my bag because whenever I try to rip it, I make a huge mess. And I've just got a plate that I've covered with some wrap. What is this? Not wrap, wax paper. Okay, it's a couple ways you can do it. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. I also have some Kraft Original. Now, if you want, you can grab whatever barbecue sauce you like. Those are the ones that I like. I might end up just using the Kraft. Now, there's a couple ways you can do it. You can simmer your meat in sauce if you like. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put the meat on. Like I said, I just heated it up. So I'm gonna put it on there that way. My face is probably cut off, and that's fine. You didn't come to see my face anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my gloves on just because sometimes this can get a little bit messy. And I'm not making a lot. I'm only just really making it just for me. So, okay. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna just throw some sauce on here. You can put your meat on if you like. Now I like to put a little bit of sauce on the chips first. And then my cheese sauce. Of course, my cheese sauce is across the room. Okay, so now I've got my cheese sauce that I've already warmed in the microwave. And that's the beautiful thing about the Rico's brand. It comes in this microwavable cup, and you can just stick it in there and let it do its thing. And there's no wrong way to do this. You can put as much cheese sauce or as little as you want. Rico's also comes in a can. I think I showed you that already. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is just to throw my meat on there. Oh, this smells so good, guys. It smells like I've been grilling for a long time today, and I literally just opened the pack just now. The other good news about this, if you do end up at Costco or Sam's, is it's microwavable. It's completely cooked, like I said earlier. I've got some Rendezvous dry rub. Rendezvous is a famous barbecue restaurant in Memphis, Tennessee. But whatever dry rub or seasoning that you want to use, you can use what you want to use, okay? So I'm just gonna throw a little bit of this on there. Starting to smell like I'm at home, guys. Okay, so I am going to put just a little bit, I did that on purpose. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little more sauce on there. And the good news is with this, if you wanted to layer it like a lasagna, you could do that. I've got some jalapeños. If you've got banana peppers, you can use whatever. Now, who put this thing on here this tight? Oh, geez. Okay. I've got just jalapeños. Okay. This is going to be like a bloopers video. Okay, I've got some jalapeños. Believe it or not, we are almost done. You can put this on a baking sheet, line it with foil, stick it in the oven if you wanted to do that. I'm just doing microwave. I've got a couple of different cheeses here. I've got just a mild cheddar cheese. I've also got some Fiesta blend that's already open. So I'm just gonna throw some of this on there. And that, my friends, that's the recipe. It's just so simple. So now we gotta taste it, guys. So I'm gonna get a chip that's got some sauce, some meat, jalapeno pepper. Look at that. Oh, yum, yum. Okay, so let's taste it. Good. Good. Good like that. Oh, that's so good. Guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next recipe video. Southern Girl Cooks.